Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sangria at home. First, you will gather all your fresh ingredients, including a crisp white wine and a colorful assortment of fruits. Next, prepare your chosen fruits by washing, slicing, and dicing them into small, manageable pieces. Finally, combine everything in a large pitcher, ensuring it is ready for the essential chilling process. This simple method ensures a refreshing and flavorful drink perfect for any occasion. For the perfect white sangria, start with a crisp, dry white wine, such as a Pinot Grigio or Sauvignon Blanc. Next, select about 2 cups of your favorite fresh fruits. Think peaches, strawberries, and oranges for vibrant flavor. You will also need a sweetener, like 1/4 cup of simple syrup and a splash of orange liqueur or brandy. These components create a balanced and wonderfully aromatic beverage that everyone will enjoy. Now, let's get to the simple preparation. Begin by washing and chopping approximately 2 cups of your chosen fresh fruits into small, bite-sized pieces. In a large pitcher, pour in 1 standard 750 milliliter bottle of your selected dry white wine. Next, add about 1/2 cup of brandy and 1/4 cup of orange liqueur. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of simple syrup, adjusting to your preferred level of sweetness. Mix well to combine all the delightful flavors. The final, crucial step is chilling. For the best flavor, allow your white sangria to chill in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight. This extended chilling period is essential, as it allows all the wonderful fruit and wine flavors to fully meld and deepen. When ready to serve, pour the sangria over ice in individual glasses. For an extra special presentation, garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice. Enjoy your perfectly crafted white sangria.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.